Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news to share with you all. The Saskatchewan Immigration Nomination Program, with its in-demand occupations, has started again. So, if you're interested in exploring this opportunity, now is the time to update your profiles and have all your required documents ready. You'll need to have your IELTS, work experience, and any relationships you have, like siblings or relatives, to get more points. This is a fantastic chance for you to improve your life and pursue your dreams. So, let's dive into the details. The Saskatchewan Immigration Nomination Program has recently resumed its in-demand occupations draw. This means that if you're eligible for one of these occupations, you could be invited to apply for permanent residency in Canada. The last SINP OID draw took place on April 28th, and a total of 350 people were invited. This is a significant increase from the previous draw, which saw only 100 invitations. The occupations in demand for this draw were primarily in the healthcare and engineering sectors. To qualify for this program, you'll need to meet the minimum requirements for your chosen occupation. These requirements include a minimum language score, work experience, and education. It's essential to have all your documents ready and updated, as the SINP will only accept applications from those who meet the criteria. If you're interested in applying for this program, make sure to keep an eye on the SINP website for updates and announcements. You can also check out our previous video on the Saskatchewan Immigration Nomination Program for more information. Remember, the key to success in this program is being prepared and having all your documents in order. So, don't wait, start updating your profile today. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights. Until next time, good luck with your immigration journey.